Okay guys, since wala pa masyadong customer, so try natin yung Google Translation. So we will think any words, Visayan word, para i-translate sa English. Okay, so first sa girlfriend ko, try natin. Guwapa si Jackie. Wow, Jackie is beautiful. So guwapa si Jackie in Bisaya. In English, Jackie is beautiful. Okay, try natin yung kasama ko rin. So dito sa dati, so guwapo si Marwin. Okay, guwapo si Marwin. Marwin is handsome. Okay, Isa, guwapa si Isa. Okay, guwapa Isa is beautiful. Okay, so next is ako naman, pangalan ko naman. Okay, guwapo si Pedro. Huh? Guwapo si reviewer. Lintik na Google to Guwapo si Idrip. Tapos yung translation niya, you are very old. May old na, may very pa. Loko itong gigilin to baka kailangan niya caps lock. So Idrip. Alam ko Google, alam ko ako si Idrip. Hinanap ko yung gwapo. Nasaan yung gwapo dito? Nakakaloko to Tama na nga. Loko to. Tama na.